Hey everybody, Kyle here with the Country Carving Channel. Out in the truck today. Today we're going to go on a little adventure and hopefully find some willow. And I want to teach you how to carve a whistle. So let's hit the road and get going. Thanks. Hey everybody, well I hope you enjoyed the adventure there. It's starting to rain a little bit here, so I'm going to try and make this quick. Yeah, we were able to find some willow, as you saw. It was pretty fun. We got out there, got to see some nice wilderness. However, we started to make a fire, get some smokies going, and then we got absolutely poured on. So we yeah, had to rip back to the city and weren't able to finish. So as I was saying, we weren't actually able to finish the willow whistle carving out in the woods like I was hoping to. I've tried to make a few and I am failing. So yeah, wanted to still share with you kind of the process that I'm able to get to, and kind of just share that, hey, not every project actually works out as planned. So I'm probably going to revisit how to carve a willow whistle at some point, but today I've been pretty unsuccessful. So we are going to show you where I'm running into issues, and yeah, we'll try it again another time. So right now we're just gonna take our piece of willow. It's usually about the thickness of your thumb, and we'll see what happens here. But first off, we're just gonna size a piece. And I'm just going to use the saw. It's nice and easy. So it's about 6 inches, let's say. just going to take the Mora knife and we're going to cut off the end at about a 45-degree angle. Okay. And then we're going to go about 1.5 inches back. And we're just going to do a little notch. Okay. And then next, you just go a little bit, let's say 3/4 of an inch beyond that. We'll just do a straight line right through. Okay. Now to loosen up the bark from the wood, we will just kind of gently tap the bark on the wood and see if we can pull this off. And then you're supposed to be able to just twist and pull that right off. And that is where I'm essentially failing. You should be able to just twist and pull that right off the wood. I think there must have just been too much moisture in this area for right now, and I cannot get the bark off of here for the life of me. And so I still wanted to share this with you. Essentially, this is my Willow whistle fail. It's supposed to be a fun little project for kids, and I definitely would recommend people to try it. I'm going to try it again probably next spring and see how that goes. But yeah, it's definitely not working out for me right now. So not everything can work out the way as planned, but that's how we learn. We keep trying, and until next time, hopefully you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed kind of at least the adventure part, hit that like button, and until next time, thanks.